Family Black Phoenix checking in with you this morning. I'm at the headquarters right now, getting a couple things lined out, man, to get my day started. And I wanted to come to my followers that's in different states. I got different people that check in with me all the time from different locations, and I thought of something that can probably help both of us. So, if you're looking for a side hustle or just want to be a representative of HogOn in your location with some of my products, and I give you all the information needed, and all you have to do is just be the representative, the person that I will have someone call in the area to complete a sale for a welding skid or shooting target or stairs or container or whatever the situation is, and I line it all out. And all you have to do is, answer the phone, go and talk to the people or whatnot, and once the sale go through, you make money, I make money. But that's a way that you can actually network while you're in the area that you're in, because I don't know where you at, but I know someone needs what we got to offer. Hold on.